Sneha, help us understand any 2 or 3 stocks that you have identified in the recent dips in the markets, which actually gave us enough value and opportunity to make up for when the recovery finally starts.
Okay. Two, three stocks that we're really liking in this market is VBL. Varun Beverages has corrected a lot, and now the valuation looks quite attractive. And
Okay.
strong heat waves that are expected in the coming days. So obviously, the demand for beverages will go up. So we are liking this counter. Second counter will be Trent. So even that counter has witnessed substantial correction. And what we believe is that with the more income in the hands of middle class and the upper middle class, obviously the fast moving fashion kind of companies will definitely benefit from this. So Trent is a good quality stock, and it's very rare that we see good correction in such
Yeah.
counters. So it's a good opportunity for investors to actually enter this counter. And thirdly, my suggestion would be for Indigo. So the travel industry is doing really wonders. I mean, it's a very long bull cycle that we've seen in this industry, and even now there's no kind of slowdown that we're witnessing. And with these summer holidays that are approaching, so obviously, the demand will again be very strong. And with the ATF prices correcting, so obviously, Indigo, who is a leader in this space, will benefit out of it.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.